Snooker speaking. Oh, hello, Mayor. A monkey on top of a building? No problem, I'll handle it myself. Get lost, Mumbly. I'm taking care of this personally. What's that, Mayor? 80 feet tall? Turn on the TV? Yes, sir.
And nothing can get Bing Bong off that building. But don't panic, folks. The mayor has assured us that the police have everything under control.
Wipe that smile off your face, Mumbly. You got 1 hour to bring in that monkey or turn in your badge.
Son of monkey. Arrest Bing Bong. Frozen fish.
Stand back! Clear the area! Bing Bong is coming down!
Hold it.
It's awful, folks. Nothing can stop him. Bing Bong is on the loose, crushing everything in his path.
Do you hear that, Snooker? That big ape is running wild. As mayor of this city, I order you to arrest him.
Arrest him? Yes, sir, Mr. Mayor. Lieutenant Mumbly is closing in on that oversized chimp right now.
Run arrest. Fasten, funny, wagon, donkey, framin.
Snooker, did you lock up that monkey yet?
Not yet, Your Honor, but I'm expecting to apprehend the suspect any minute now.
The giant gorilla is out of control. He's leveling the city. 10 skyscrapers in a row. It's a strike. I mean, a disaster. Oh, I can't watch.
Me neither.
There's seems to be no way to stop him. He stopped! But what could bring the mighty Bing Bong to a halt? It's Lieutenant Mumbly, the relentless dog detective. Bing Bong has gone wild. He's heading for the shipyard. He's tripped up Pier 11. Oh, I don't believe it. Bong is paddling out to sea.
You mean he's leaving?
Yes, folks, Bing Bong is leaving! And it looks like he's going back to his jungle home for good!
That was a splendid job, Chief Snooker.
Oh, thanks, Mayor. After facing me, he's probably still running. As I was saying to my friend the mayor, it's too bad Bing Bong got away. I would have liked to put the handcuffs on him myself. Hey, what's this? Help me! Do something! Get this monkey off my back!